Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI Pad 2, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we're gonna select About Tablet, and at the bottom you'll see Factory Reset. Click on it. This will present you with a list of data right here that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes basically photos, videos, music, and all user data. If you have anything like that that you like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you go with the reset. Now, if you go to the next page by selecting Erase All Data and confirming your screen lock, if you have one, it will give you the option to back up your data. I strongly urge you against this. It's never a good idea to back up your personal data to someone else's computer, and this is basically what you're doing. That's number one. You're sharing your personal data with Xiaomi. Number two, which I don't recommend, is the fact that this data isn't available to you if you want to restore it on non-Xiaomi device. So not only are you sharing your personal data, they're also giving you rules that you need to follow where you can restore it. It's your freaking data. You should be able to restore it wherever. And third one, if they're abiding by European Union regulation, they can only keep it for a year, at which point they will automatically delete it, because supposedly a European Union forces companies now to delete their data after a year of it not being used. So if you haven't used or logged into Xiaomi account, I believe whatever the rule set there is, Xiaomi is obligated to delete that data. Now, if they're doing it or not, that's up to debate, but you most certainly won't have access to it. So if you're planning to back up your device, just plug in your cable to your computer and then drag the files that you want to keep manually to your desktop or something. That will be the safest and also the best kind of backup you can do, as you have access and full control over your own data. Now, I have nothing here that I want to back up, so I'm gonna select Factory Reset, and Xiaomi does consider their user base to be, I guess, idiots, considering they do give you this message right here that it will delete all data, and it's blocked by a 10-second counter here and on the next page as well. Because, 20 seconds of your life isn't that important. You only have a finite amount of it, and 20 of them has been just wasted and you will never get it back. Let's click on OK. Anytime now. There we go. Okay, that took a while. So this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.